if you, pag tinignan mo po yung lay of the land, given the predisposition of the Senate, history and current, I think there's no other way to change the Constitution except through people's initiative.
And we have...
Kasi, ang binubuksan lang nila, 1.98% of GDP.
Under that of
RBH
number 6.
The Subiri RBH.
Oh, bakit sir? Kamo na sa...
Ang kailangan natin RBH2 ni SLAB. Impact of about 40%.
Sir, can you just laymanize that kind of...
Kasi ang nakalagay lang doon kay Senate President Subiri, ay yung dati na, Article 0. Tapos yung pangalawa is media. Pero media, advertising. Tapos, basic education. Kaya kailangan ni tertiary.
Oo. So, that, how much kamo lang ang mabibig
1.98%. Asan na ba yun?
1.9.
Andun yung pinakamalaking potential.
Okay.
Kasi, like last year, sa laki ng buong agricultural sector, dinami-dami ng lupa, 30 million square kilometers of land. That's about 30 billion square meters. 30 billion square meters. Ang nilagay lang natin is 1.5 billion ang investment natin.
Peso?
Yes. Private investment. So, wala lang. It will not move the needle at all. Isa lang na nakaka-ano dyan because if you look at Southeast Asia, for example,